Hi guys, Miss Hallett here. Today we are going to be working on some vocabulary skills, and also we are going to be working on taking some inferences on a science article. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is get your Reach for Reading book. Okay, you're going to get your Reach for Reading book and you're going to turn it to page 177. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, by now you should have gotten your Reach for Reading book and you're turning to page 177. We're going to look at these vocabulary words. Now you're going to have an assignment on the next slide to do a picture sort. So you're going to sort some pictures into the correct column with the correct vocabulary word. Okay, but first we need to study these words. We need to figure out what they mean. All right, then we're going to do the picture sort. So hopefully your book's open and you're going to follow along with me as I read each vocabulary word, the definition, and an example. Okay, so the first one here, I'm starting with the one on the top left-hand side. Okay, says diversity. Diversity is a noun. Diversity means a lot of different people or things. So there's a lot of different things, okay? A lot of different ones. So if we notice the picture here, all these people are different. That's called diversity. Okay, next word, environment. Your environment is the kind of place where you live. This is a hot, dry environment. So we live in a hot, dry environment too, most of the time in the summer. It's definitely dry, right? We live in what's called the high desert. So we live in an environment that is dry as well. Now, if you went down to the beach, that would be a humid, mild environment. Okay, next one, organism. An organism is a living thing. This leaf and insect are both organisms. So anything that's alive, I'm an organism, you're an organism, a tree is an organism, a little bird flying in the sky is an organism. Okay, so any living thing. Protect. Ooh, look at this picture. You protect something when you keep it safe. Sharp spines protect the plant from animals. This looks like a cactus, right? And its little spines protect the birds or other animals to get into its water supply. Okay, so we also protect things. We have a house. We go into the house and it keeps us warm. It protects us from the elements outside. So we feel protected when we're in our house. All right, the next one is unique. This is a great word, you guys. Unique. Polar bears are definitely unique. Okay, so unique things are different from other things. The yellow flower is unique. So if you look at this picture, you have all red flowers except for one very unique yellow flower. Okay, so now your assignment is to do a picture sort. Okay, it's gonna be a little tricky because some things will belong in two different categories, but you really have to think about it. Let's try a couple together. Okay, well, let's look at this porcupine. Well, I know a porcupine is an organism, but could it be something else? Why does a porcupine have quills? Those sharp little things on its back. Why do they? You're right. All my stars. I bet all of you just yelled at your Chromebook saying the quills protect the porcupine. You are correct. All right, let's look at, let's look at this one with the flags. Well, each flag is unique, so that's really not going to work. The flags aren't protecting anything. The flags aren't alive, so they're not an organism. They're not an environment either. So I think that definitely shows probably diversity, right? They're all very different. I always think of diversity and different, right? Everything in the picture is different. Okay, well, I hope you got the idea. If you have any questions, please ask. So you're going to do your sort. Okay, once you're done with your sort, you're going to go on to the next slide and I'll meet you there. Okay, guys, I'll meet you there. See you soon.